out here at Bikers Warehouse, and yeah, we're having a really cool time out here. We've got Bruce Falloon, GXCC champion. The guys have come from work to come and learn some skills at some of the Bikers Warehouse riders, as well as some customers. An initiative that Mark and myself put together from Bikers Warehouse to their customers, just to say thanks for their loyal support. We've been working on some rider training, a little bit of motocross, a little bit of enduro, but really cool day out.
It's pretty rad, nice to unlearn some of the bad habits here on a Wednesday afternoon, so it's always nice to be able to take a break out of work and come and do some of the two-stroke oil mixing and having a jol with the mates.
End of the day, sun's just gone down, and what an awesome day we've had. We had about 10 riders. This is a midweek thing that myself and Mark have put together with Bikers Warehouse, just to give back to their customers. It's absolutely free, and looks like we're going to do this once to twice a month. Just keep an eye on social media and come join us. You'll really have a good time.